Well, we certainly had a very hot and humid Tuesday afternoon, and then some thunderstorms started to develop around the region. We had very high rainfall rates, and we even had a few strong and severe storms developing with frequent lightning and strong winds. Right now, we have some clouds around. Temperatures have cooled off into the upper 70s after making it into the upper 90s this afternoon. We have the clouds around, so we still do have the risk of a few passing showers for tonight. Viper radar tracking some of that activity off of the coast, and now moving into our western counties, some very light rain pushing into Montgomery and Toombs County, so a few more showers are possible during the overnight, but some of that will die off before it really moves through most of the area. Now, as far as the heavy rain earlier today, we did see some flooding issues in Liberty County and Long County. Viper radar estimating over 5 inches of rain falling in a short amount of time in the low country for Beaufort and Jasper County. Along 278, over 2 inches estimated by radar, and more opportunities for heavy rain are in the forecast on and off for the next few days, but possibly not quite as widespread as what we've had for the past couple of afternoons. Wednesday starts off with some sunshine, temperatures in the upper 70s, but we quickly climb into the 90s for highs, 98 degrees around 4 o'clock. Some of us might get even hotter than that, and then that means some of the storms that develop will have that potential to be on the stronger side once again. The heat is certainly going to be a concern. A heat advisory already in place for our coastal counties, where we do have the best chance of having heat index values pushing 110 degrees. So definitely stay cool and hydrated, and also keep an eye to the sky because that's severe potential. For Wednesday, the best chance for severe storms will be along generally in north of Interstate 16 with a complex of moisture that will be moving in from the northwest. So hour by hour throughout the day tomorrow, sunshine during the morning hours, a few clouds filtering that out by 8 and 9 o'clock. The clouds become a little bit more widespread through lunchtime. Notice the temperatures at this point heating into the middle 90s for most locations, getting even hotter by 3 and 4 o'clock, and that's when we will start to see some of those showers, maybe a few thunderstorms begin to fire off, with the potential for some heavy rain mixed in there. And with these temps still in the lower 90s by 6 to 7 o'clock, that severe potential remains. And finally, as we head through the evening hours, as conditions start to cool off, the radar will start to settle down for us, and that'll be the case going to Wednesday night and into Thursday morning. Now in the tropics, things are starting to become a little bit more active. Usually mid-August is when the activity typically starts to increase. We do have a tropical wave to the southeast of Nova Scotia. Medium risk of that developing as it moves toward the Azores. No concern to the U.S. from that. A weak tropical wave pushing off of Africa right now. A 20% chance of development over the next several days as it pushes off to the west and northwest. But we're more going to be focused on this system, Invest 92L, an 80% chance of developing. The environment will be a little bit more supportive of some development over the next few days as it moves toward the Caribbean islands. But at this point, most of the global models keep it fairly weak, but we'll have a better idea on what it will do over the coming days. For tonight, a few passing showers, warm and humid with those temperatures in the 70s. And then for tomorrow, it is going to be a very hot and humid day with those thunderstorms developing in the later part of the day. So definitely watch out for that. Highs will be in the mid to upper 90s for most of us, with much hotter heat index values. For the boaters, keep an eye to the sky with those storm chances. West wind 10 to 15 knots, giving us seas right around 2 feet. So over the next few days, at least low and storm chances are in the forecast as those temperatures really heat up, possibly challenging records for Thursday and Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Storm chances will be a little bit higher, and that might cool us off by a few degrees, but heating up even more for next week, middle to upper 90s on Tuesday.
All right, so water bottle, rain jackets, that's what I'm
That's a good idea.
All right, perfect. Thank you, Scott. And changing the clock